is Dr. Norman C. I'm a practicing veterinarian here in Southern California. Name of our hospital is Antonio Animal Hospital. One of these, the things that we can use now so that you can have a halfway normal dog is this little cart. He loves this thing. He's like, where are we going next? What are we going to do? How long a walk am I going? You know, he is totally happy. Every time Andy comes in now, he is just happy as can be, and we're just taking it day by day. For those owners who think, you know, my dog has had a back lesion, I can't afford surgery, you know, this could be the end for this pet. Absolutely not. It doesn't have to be. These guys can live a great, normal, happy life, and we've come a long way. And as you can see, Andy here, he just is like no big deal. You kind of explain that to people because there are other options.